All right, here we go. The official morning after. Sun's coming up. Just saw on the news the official total was 7.5 inches of snow. I mean, I don't know how they do these measurements, but boy, it looks like it could be a lot more than that here. I'm sure locally, and individually there were some areas that had more, but I mean, the drifts are just crazy. And I know those aren't measured the same way, but holy moly. And don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining too much. I know you northern peeps would be like, toughen up Hanleys, but this is truly unbelievable. Pensacola, Florida. Just covered in snow as far as you can see. And I'm sure you guys will see some videos on the news if you're looking for them, but this is just nothing short of historic. So cool to see. Really, really cool. There's Frosty in all his glory. Snow-covered hat. We should have turned him on last night. And today, supposedly, we're not much above 35 degrees, so we're going to see most of this here all day. So, time to build a snowman. Super cool. Y'all come visit Florida. Warm up some. See ya.